Acneclear Gel is used to treat mild to moderate acne and a certain skin condition called rosacea. It works by reducing acne-causing bacteria and causing the skin to dry and peel. It may also help to decrease symptoms caused by rosacea, such as pimples and bumps on the face. Make sure to check the ingredients on the label, as the manufacturer may have changed them, and products with similar names may contain different ingredients meant for different purposes. Taking the wrong product could harm you. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for using Acneclear Gel should be determined by a healthcare professional. Before using Acneclear Gel for the first time, make sure you're not allergic to it by doing a patch test for 3 days. If you don't have an allergic reaction, you can use the product to treat acne. There are different benzoyl peroxide products available, some of which require a prescription. Consult your doctor or pharmacist to choose the best product for you. If you're using an over-the-counter product, make sure to read and follow all directions on the package before using the medication. When using Acneclear Gel to treat acne, apply it to the affected areas once or twice a day. If using cleansers containing benzoyl peroxide, wet the affected area, rub the cleanser into the skin, and then rinse thoroughly. If using the shaving cream, apply a small amount of the medication, rub it into the area, and then shave. The dosage and frequency of use of Acneclear Gel depend on your medical condition and response to therapy. Improvement is usually seen after 3 to 4 weeks, with maximum benefit after 8 to 12 weeks. Do not increase your dose or use the gel more often or for longer than directed. If your condition doesn't improve or gets worse, seek medical help right away. When using Acneclear Gel, you may experience skin reactions such as peeling, itching, irritation, and reddened skin, especially at the beginning of treatment. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. They may recommend applying smaller amounts of the gel or using it less frequently. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it's because they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. In fact, many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While rare, it's important to seek immediate medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It's important to note that this is not an exhaustive list of potential side effects. If you experience any other effects not mentioned here, it's recommended to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US and Canada, you can reach out to your doctor for medical advice about any side effects. Additionally, in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using Acneclear Gel, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Make sure to also inform them about your medical history and all the other products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Additionally, Acneclear Gel may make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it's important to limit your time in the sun, avoid tanning booths and sun lamps, and use sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. If you do get sunburned or experience skin blisters/redness, be sure to inform your doctor right away. If you are pregnant, Acneclear Gel should only be used when clearly needed, so it's essential to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown if the drug passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Acneclear Gel. This can affect how the medication works and increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One product that may interact with Acneclear Gel is dapsone, which is used on the skin. Always consult with your healthcare provider before using Acneclear Gel to ensure it is safe for you and won't interact with any other medications you may be taking. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, Acneclear Gel should be applied to the affected skin areas once or twice daily, or as directed by your doctor. It is best to apply the gel at the same time each day, and it is recommended to wash the affected area with a mild cleanser before applying the medication. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist for the best results. If accidentally swallowed, Acneclear Gel can be harmful and may cause serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing. In case of overdose, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. U.S. residents can reach their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your scheduled medical and laboratory appointments. This will help your healthcare provider monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to use Acneclear Gel on your regular schedule, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Acneclear Gel at room temperature. Different brands may have different storage requirements, so always check the product package for specific instructions or ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of Acneclear Gel by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.